Good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're back here in Florida at Walt Disney World. I'm currently at one of the on-Disney property resort hotels, what's considered the budget-friendly priced resorts, one of 3 resorts called the Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. And as always, a little bit of housekeeping, pun intended. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below and give this video a nice big like and thumbs up, since it helps promote this video to more awesome people like you from throughout the world. Hey, thanks. Originally opening in 1999 and boasting a whopping almost 2,000 rooms with basic amenities as the world premiere food court, self-service laundry, and a convenience store called Donald's Double Feature, this resort hotel has a lot to offer. Sporting 2 pools, this oversized themed resort featuring a giant Toy Story themed area, Herbie the Love Bug, the Mighty Ducks, Fantasia, and the 101 Dalmatians, the All-Star Movies Resort has something for everyone. Featuring the newly remodeled rooms, which strip the old and dated carpet with newly refreshed laminate flooring, I love this upgrade because it feels so much cleaner while walking around in your socks. Larger flat screen wall-mounted TVs replace the smaller freestanding 30-something inch dresser TVs. An updated mini fridge and added cubby storage are nice features, all while maintaining the same standards as before, such as a locking safe, ironing board, and iron are all still included. Previously, you had to wander over like a zombie to the world premiere food court to get your morning cup of coffee, but now you're able to stumble out of bed, brew your own cups while catching 5 more minutes of shut-eye before heading off to the theme parks. Updated bathrooms with modern mirrors, lights, and fixtures complete the bathroom setup with this clean-looking quartz countertops. This modern wall tile is very Epcot-esque, geodesic sphere-like, isn't it? Finally, now to address the elephant in the room. Well, not so much an elephant, but this big thing here. It's called a Murphy bed. What was once a second bed now makes much more efficient use of the space by replacing the standalone table and 2 chairs with, well, this table and 2 chairs. But that easily converts into a bed. If you're a family of 4 sharing this room, things can get more than just a little bit cramped and crowded. This efficient use of space definitely is the biggest upgrade to these All-Star Movies resort rooms, and it's well thought out in design in my opinion. As room rates vary depending on your stay, you can count on these rooms to run you around $250 a night including tax, give or take. With complimentary bus transportation to and Disney Springs and to the theme parks, the All-Star Movies Resort is a fantastic option to save a little bit of money and get a lot of bang for your buck. So hey, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here from the Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. If you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, do me a favor and subscribe down below for more adventures, and we'll see you on the next one.